What's up guys? So if you're like me and you ride all the time, you're going to be using ratchet straps all the time. So I'm going to show you the ratchet straps that I use. I've been through probably over 1,000,000 it feels like, but these are the best ones that I can find. So this is RHINO USA straps. So come over here. So you're going to get your main piece of it right here, and the quality is great. So we just bought these pair, so let's check them out, what they look like new, and then I'll show you a strap that I've been using and literally like abusing for the last, how long has it been? Like probably a year. So this is going to be your main strap. It's really nice, stitched up real good. One thing I do like about these is they have these little clips. So if you put them on your trailer or hook them to something, if it comes loose, this is not going to just fall off. And one more thing they come with is this. So you can take these, and if you don't have a real good hooking point and you don't want to use your winch, you can wrap it around like that. You can wrap it like that, which would be a hook, which is what I do, is do this, and you hook your hook into it. This won't scratch up your A-arms, and it holds it, and these are super strong. Alright, so here is the pair that I got it's probably been over a year ago, but all the straps look great. The only thing that has shown wear and tear is I've lost the little rubber things, which is no big deal, and the paint has chipped off, but this is like a year of use. I've never got this long out of straps, and the only reason I bought a new one is because I got a new machine and I just needed some more straps. And another thing they come with that has came in handy so many times are these little RHINO Velcro strips. So I'll show you what these are for as soon as I get this thing hooked up. Alright guys, so now that we're all hooked up, you're going to have leftover strap usually most of the time, so you're going to use this Velcro to wrap around, and you can, if you're pulling on a trailer, you can stuff it in there, and you don't have to wrap it up like that. You can, you know, run it all the way and just take out the slack and wrap it up, and those things work great. I've even left them hanging down like that before on accident, and they stayed put together going 70 miles an hour down the highway. So these things are some really great straps.